Hello and welcome to another update video about Aave. Aave is currently on a good way to pushing higher. It's a coin that I don't cover too often here in the videos, but it's a coin that I cover more often for channel members. So if you're interested in getting a bit more updates or more frequent updates, check out the channel membership. It's one of the coins that I recently added again to the opportunities videos, I think just in time before we had the rally here. And then we talked about this as a possible trade setup. The price would get back ideally into this wave 4 support area. And now I'm looking at a trend reversal from here, ideally in a wave 5. Condition for that is that the $71 is holding. That is the support for the 50% fib level. And if we then break below that, and especially if we cross into the wave 1 price region, this cannot be a wave 4 anymore. Yeah, I mean, below the 50% retracement, which is here 71.29, Aave, that it's getting very unlikely that this is still a wave 4, but then officially invalidated it will be if we break below this wave 1 high at 67.50. But typically, again, if it breaks below the 50%, I only have 3 waves and then it will get a concerning chart. Then we still have the option of counting it as a diagonal pattern, but then again, I need that 5th wave to confirm and it loses credibility, reliability. So ideally, we are holding here. We have moved into this support area. It might very well be that what we're doing at the moment, we've done the A wave, possibly found a low there. So in this wave 4, possibly found a low in A wave. We might just be working on a B wave and would then come down in C of 4, ideally to the 38.2 fib level at 75.97, or as a maximum that $21 level, and then we could rally in a 5th wave. And based on sort of current lows and what is sort of realistic, where did I actually put it? I actually put it to the 50% level. So based on depending on how low we come, the target range for that 5th wave will shift. If we come to the ideal level, the 38.2 fib, we should reach the $100 to $116 level in a 5th wave. That's sort of the ideal target, and then when we have that, we've got 5 waves up as complete and could then look at a wave 2 to the downside, possibly as the next support area / entry point or trend reversal area, but we're not there yet. And then, however, that would be a possible really attractive trade, because if it works out and support levels down here are holding, we might get that 3rd wave to the upside. And I'm just going to give you an idea where that might go to. Bear in mind, this would still only give us 3 waves, so it would be a bit early to confirm a bear market low is in, but if this support area is holding, it certainly will make a great trade, and maybe eventually we'll get these 5 waves. But if we assume we might get to $100, then we might go down to around, let's say 65, then we would have a target for that 3rd wave of at least $140. So potentially quite an interesting trade there with a really good reward to risk ratio. And that's sort of where we are. Yeah, I mean, the pink count is still possible, where we're coming down in a diagonal here. Wave 1 down, wave 2 up, wave 3 down. We might now be in the 4th wave and could then still get a 5th wave to the downside in a diagonal. So that's not off the table. It will get less likely above the, take those lines out, above the wave 2 high, which is here at $98. But even then, as long as I only have 3 waves, it would not necessarily be a great confirmation. So overall, what is important is to understand that until we really get these in yellow, these 5 waves, we can't really say with conviction that the bear market low is already in, especially as all of this could just be a larger 4. So what we need, because this could be an A, B, C. So what we need is these 5 waves eventually, and then an A, B, C down. Now that doesn't mean you have to wait until then to trade. I've got just suggested to you a trade setup, and there will be another one if we make that 1-2 setup. Not saying that these are definitely going to work out, but they are low risk, high reward setups in terms of your risk is low because you can set the stop loss in a very defined way and the reward is decent. Here, of course, the reward to risk will be a bit lower. That will be an attractive one if it works out. But condition is that then here in this wave 2, the 78.6% fib level needs to hold, or we will break down and make a new low, most likely. But at the moment, this is looking interesting, and I'm following it. Further updates in opportunities videos for members only, and from time to time I cover it here on the YouTube channel as well. Okay, that's my update about Aave. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.